Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to share unbiased review on minikitten.shop. So if you are curious to know about unbiased review, just check out the detail of this website, as people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this platform. So let's check out what is Minikitten Shop. It is an online platform dealing with multiple options for its customer, providing them with different categories and alternatives. The website deals with footwear, clothing options, accessory, and various other alternatives. Moreover, the website claims to provide its customer with the best quality at affordable price. So let's check out the specification of the site. They are dealing with women's clothing, footwear, and accessories. It is HTTPS secured website. They have mentioned the email address, but no physical address and contact detail have been shared on the website. The website process its address within 3 to 5 business days. The website charges $7 on all its items as shipping charges. Delivery time is about 7 to 35 days. The platform provides a 30-day return policy to its customer. They are accepting the exchange for return. They are initiated after inspecting the return. No cancellation option is available. They are accepting PayPal. The positive aspect of the site are the website has multiple options under all the categories. Return, refund, and shipping policies of the platform are described in detail over the web page. The website ships its order earlier as compared to the other platforms. The negative aspects of the site are the platform only accepts payment method, that is PayPal. The cancellation policy of the platform are not explained. The website contact details are also missing over the web page. Social media presence of the platform is missing. Is Minikitten Shop legit? As we are discussing all the details that may check out the legitimacy of the site, so we are going into depth. So as we discussed, the domain of the web platform is very recent. This says that it was launched few days ago. The social media presence of the platform is missing, and the mentioned tabs are directed to the home page of the appliances instead of web page. The reviews are not found over the internet. Contact details of the platform are missing, making it tough for the customer to contact in case of any misunderstanding. The trust score of the platform is also less than 10%, directing to its unauthentic aspect. Some of the website content is copied from other platform. The images used by the site for the product display are also copied. The website has a limited mode of payment, limiting the number of customers as well. Links that redirect the site's information are also missing. As far as customer reviews are concerned, the customer review for this platform are also missing, that we cannot fetch a single link directing to the same. Also, the trust score of the platform is too low, which indicates that the same cannot be trusted. The newly launched platform also possesses the risk for scam, either related to PayPal or even credit card. So we can conclude our discussion by saying that as we have discussed all the important point, and we can say that now the website is new and we cannot claim anything about its legitimacy for now. For our viewer, we are recommending you to wait for some time for genuine reviews to come. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience of shopping from this store. We love to hear from you.